Hey everyone, I am Jazsha Bayo, grade 8 student, and I am here to teach you on how to make a website using HTML. And if you just want to know how, just keep on watching. So this is our HTML. At the first part, it says HTML, of course. So HTML is the root element of an HTML page. Next is the head. So the head, it contains information about the document. Inside our head, it says title, HIV and AIDS awareness, then slash title. So what is the slash? So the slash, it actually specifies the end tag. So inside our title is HIV and AIDS awareness. So title, it specifies the title for the document. Yeah. So the end tag for this is the end tag for our head, this one. So next is the style. So the style, it appears on your website. Whatever you want to put on your website, whatever you want to design. So I just rechecked my video and I just found out there are many aliens at the back disturbing me and stopping me from videoing. But please excuse them, or yeah. So enjoy watching. With your website, it will appear, you will put it here in your style. So in my style, I put body. So in the website's body, I put background. Oh my god! Di na ko to siya i-cut. So the background color of my body is red. Not my body, but the website's body is red. So next is H1. H1 is, it defines a large heading. So my font size is 50. Next is P. P is just basically a paragraph. So my paragraph, I don't want it to be colored white. I don't want it to be colored black. I want it to be colored white. So I put white. Next is the end tag for our style. So this next is this whole thing up to here is the body, the website's body. So the first part of our body is this one. So what is center? Like, girl, you can just don't put center here. So center, it basically puts your paragraph or your heading or your image in the center. I want it to be more formal, that's why I put the center tags. Next is the H1. So again, H1 it means a large heading. Next is the HIV and AIDS awareness. HIV and AIDS awareness is is the title for this paragraph. Next is this one. So this is the paragraph. So P means paragraph. So here up to here, this is a paragraph. So next is this image SRC. Image SRC means image source. So this is where you put your image, or this is the location of your image. What I did is I right click it and then I go to properties and then I just copy pasted the location. And then I just pasted it here. This, oh no, this one over here. So that is the location. And then next is this ALT. ALT means the alternative. This is the alternative name. So if my image source will not work, this ALT will be shown in my website. So it will show HIV ribbon. You will see why if I will show you the website. And then the width is 50. I want it to be 50 because I want it to be bigger. So next is the next paragraph, and then next is this one. So this is like the main component of this one of the main component actually of this website. So this is where I put the link that will lead to another website that I also made, which is just the same. So this one, as you can see, this is in another tag. So ahref, this is where you'll put the link of the next website. So my next link is named Jazsha2.html. And what if you will ask what is this, what page 2 means? So page 2 means this is the substitute name for Jazsha2.html. It so Jazsha2.html will not show on my website, but it will just be page 2. So at the website, it will just say done, proceed to page 2. So it's like that, and you will click page 2 so that it will be so that you will go to the another website. And then moving on, this is the center, the end tag for our center, which starts over here. So next is this is the end tags for our body and our HTML. So right now, I think I'm not gonna show you the second website because it's pretty much the same but different content, but still connected to our topic. So basically the next HTML or the next website is pretty much the same as the first one. Nothing has actually changed, but I just changed the title. As you can see, the title says signs, symptoms, and awareness. This is still connected to the topic HIV and AIDS. Yeah, so the style is just the same. The body, the center, just the what do you call that, the title or the heading of our website is just signs, symptoms, and awareness for HIV or AIDS patients. So next is, yeah, I literally just change the content, but still on the same topic, but my format for the second website isn't the same as the first one. The first one, the format for that is the title at the very top, and then next is the paragraph, then the image, then the paragraph, then the link. But in this second website, I chose the title, and then the paragraph, then paragraph, then the link, and then the photo. So that's basically the next thing, the next website that I did. So I'm gonna tour you on the final output of this issue. So this is the first website. The background color is red, the H1 or the heading is black, the paragraph is white, the image is at the center, it is in the middle of the two paragraphs, and at the bottom it says done, proceed to page 2. So we're just gonna click this page 2, and that page 2 is the link. So we're gonna click, and here is the page 2 or our next website. It says signs, symptoms, and awareness for HIV or AIDS patients. Then this one is the paragraph, the link where I put the link. Do you want to view page 1 again? And the image. It's just the pride, and then the pride flag, and then the HIV ribbon. So if you are gonna click the page 1 again, it will bring you back. I hope you learned a lot in this video. Click the like button, and my classmates, please don't dislike this video. For watching.